Okay, so I got a question from my most recent table talk about pain. Um, and I wanted to discuss one little piece of it. I said, and this was the question, and I was correct, so I want to defend myself, that pain is created in the brain. And I didn't mean, again, I always like to be clear, pain's definitely not made up. All pain is created because pain is actually an output of the brain. We think of it, most of us, like the classic, we call it Descartesian model. Rene Descartes originally discussed pain as being a signal. So you feel pain, right? Something pinches you. It sends a signal up to your brain and it causes pain. And what we're finding now is that's not right at all. There is something to be said about a nerve being stimulated in your body, going up to your brain and causing pain. We call that nociception. So when I pinch myself just like this, it sends a signal up to my brain all the time. That's called nociception. But my brain chooses how to process that information to see if it is threatening or not. So an experiment for that is if you pinch yourself, it hurts a lot less than if somebody else pinches you the same amount of force. And it's because you trust yourself more. You know exactly how much pressure you're going to put. When somebody else pinches you, you don't always know how hard. It could be more threatening. So the input here is nociception. The brain processes, and then it puts an output of pain. But nociception isn't the only thing that can cause pain. Our brain can associate pain with different things, and all of a sudden those things it's associated with, like movement is the common one that I see, it starts to associate movement with pain. So all of a sudden movement instead of nociception triggers the brain to process, and the brain processes and outputs pain just the same way.